Hi, welcome. In this video, I will show you how to edit Dark Moody filter. Here are example photo before and after. You can download this preset for free. The link is in the description below. So let's start the editing. First go to Light. Contrast to +30. Highlight -40. Shadow +30. Whites -30. Black +10. And next go to Color. 10 +6. Tint +1. Vibrance +30. Saturation -20. And then go to Color Mix. Hue +25. Saturation +10. Next, orange color. Hue -10. Saturation -20. Luminance +15. Then go to yellow color. Hue -90. Saturation -90. Luminance -20. And then go to Cyan. Saturation -100. And next go to Blue. Saturation -100. Luminance -30. And next go to Effects. Clarity +10. Dez +10. Vignette -30. Midpoint 0. And then go to Split Tone. Go to Highlights and set Hue to 255 and Saturation 8. Go to Shadow and set Hue to 204 and Saturation 9. And then go to Curve Setting in Light. Follow the steps. Now we have tried to apply in another photo. Just copy the settings